Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that's got your back when it comes to making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we've got the ATTOP drone, and on the right, we have the LMRC-12 drone. Buckle up because this is going to be a high-flying, sky-scraping showdown. First up, let's talk about the moolah, the dough, the green stuff. Price. The ATTOP drone will set you back by $109. It's like buying a nice dinner for two at a fancy restaurant. Meanwhile, the LMRC-12 drone is a mere $79. That's just a few pizzas and a Netflix subscription for the month. So if you're on a budget, you might lean towards LMRC. But hey, who needs to eat when you can fly, right? Now, let's zoom in on those cameras. The ATTOP drone sports a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having an eagle on steroids capturing your every move. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 also brings a 1080p HD camera, but with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having a hawk, but maybe a hawk that took a chill pill. Both are great, but ATTOP's got a slightly wider view. Reviewers praise ATTOP's camera quality, though some noted issues with durability. LMRC users are happy with the camera for the price, noting it offers good video quality and stability. All right, let's talk about how long these babies can stay in the air. The ATTOP drone comes with 3 batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. That's like 3 episodes of your favorite sitcom. The LMRC-12 drone, however, offers 26 minutes with its 2 batteries. So just a tad shorter, like when you skip the intro and credits. Honestly, both are pretty decent, but if you're a marathon flyer, ATTOP lets you binge a bit longer. Reviewers noted that ATTOP's battery life can be a hit or miss, while LMRC users appreciated the decent battery life for its price. Now let's dive into the fun stuff. Features. The ATTOP drone is packed with goodies: voice control, gesture photos, 360 degrees flips, and even a G sensor for VR glasses. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Meanwhile, LMRC-12 offers headless mode, one-key start landing, hand gesture controls, and altitude hold. It's like the reliable friend who always has your back but maybe doesn't do flips at parties. Both are fun, but if you want to impress your friends with tricks, ATTOP takes the cake. Reviewers love the versatility of the ATTOP, though some found it tricky to master. LMRC users appreciated its simplicity and ease of use. Last but not least, ease of use. ATTOP drone has one key return, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it super user-friendly. Even your grandma could fly it. Just don't let her get too carried away. The LMRC-12 is also user-friendly with similar features, but it's marketed as being magically simple for all ages. So if you're looking for a drone you can hand off to your little cousin without causing a neighborhood blackout, LMRC might be the way to go. Reviewers found both drones easy to operate, but noted that ATTOP can be a bit more complex for beginners, while LMRC is praised for its beginner-friendly setup. Overall, the ATTOP drone receives mixed reviews with praises for its camera quality and versatility, but some concerns about durability and battery life. The LMRC-12 drone is well received for its price, ease of use, and stability, though it has some criticisms regarding its build quality and controls. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP drone and the LMRC-12 drone both bring a lot to the table. If you're looking for a feature-packed, longer-flying, camera-savvy drone, ATTOP is your go-to. But if you want a budget-friendly, easy to use, and still pretty awesome drone, LMRC is your new best friend. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart Showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.